Hi there, YouTubers. This is Burrito Bob. I've got a little recipe that's been handed down to me from my dad that I've shared with my family now. It's cheap, it's easy to make, it'll probably take you, I don't know, 20 to 30 minutes, and you can feed, I'd say, 3 to 4 people. What we call it is tuna and taters. It's simple. I pick up the Del Monte fresh cut whole new potatoes. And then the tuna that I use is a bumblebee chunk white tuna in water. I don't like oil, but that's all according to you and your preference. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take these whole potatoes and I'm going to strain them, get all the water out of them. I don't want that water and the olive oil to mix, get a lot of popping, and that's no fun. Okay, I've got all my potatoes in the strainer. So now I'm going to go ahead and add my oil to the pan. I use olive oil. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and open up my tuna. I'm going to put it into a bowl with the other 5 cans. And I'm going to add just, I don't know, probably about 4 or 5, maybe 6 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Now, some of you might prefer olive oil mayonnaise. It's healthier versus just standard good old mayo. After I get my tuna and my mayo mixed up really good, I add a little salt and pepper, and that's it. My tuna's done. Go ahead and heat my oil up on medium. We have a gas stove. I've got my oil in my pan. My pan's really nice and hot right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour my potatoes in there. What I like is I like to get my potatoes a nice golden brown, crispy look to them. And that kind of gives me the indication that they're ready. I'm gonna go ahead and sprinkle some celery salt on there. Now the celery salt, of course, the amount, the quantity that you want to put on your potatoes is entirely up to you. Some of us have high blood pressure, and you may not want that extra salt on the potatoes. I like a pretty fair amount. Because it really adds to the taste of the potatoes. If you have a good non-stick pan, that's best for doing this. At least that's my opinion. I'm going to add some more celery salt. And I'll show you the label on the celery salt that I buy. You can get it almost at any market, Walmart. I bought this at just a local market anyway. It's McCormick's celery salt. Okay, I've got my tuna in its bowl. I'm going to come back over here, stir my potatoes, see what's going on, see if they're starting to brown up. Not quite yet. They are cooking up nicely. Boy, it smells. Something about this smell just gets you. I love the smell of celery salt. It makes me so hungry. Okay, I've got my tuna in my bowl. As I stated earlier, it's the bumblebee chunk white albacore in water. I'm going to add my mayo. As you can see, it looks like a lot of mayo. I'm going to mix it in. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and add my pepper. And my salt. Not too much, you got enough of that in the with the celery salt on the potatoes. And then go ahead and mix it up. Alright guys, so it looks like these potatoes are just about done. Let's just turn them one more time here. As you can see, it's the consistency that I spoke about in the beginning. This is the way I like mine. Golden brown and crispy. Can't say it enough. Throw down some tuna, some potatoes. The whole idea of this meal, guys, is, and the reason for it being called tuna and taters, you eat a little tuna with the tater. Now, if you want to eat it separate, you go right ahead. But this is the way my dad did it, I've done it, and my family does it. And for some reason, the mix of the tuna, the potato, and the celery salt is absolutely delicious. It's filling and it's fairly healthy. So here it goes. I should be a little careful here because these potatoes are hot. That is so good. High in protein and starch. So it's got the carbs I need and the protein. Off to the gym. Take it easy, YouTube fans. This is Burrito Bob saying out. And until next time, hasta.